Forget the competition. How have I been doing on this? A lot of times in my business, I've gotten into a lot of trouble. I've gotten into doing stupid things that I shouldn't have done to try and compete with people. I've wasted a ton of time and energy trying to compete with people, literally doing things like taking another video's keywords and putting them on my own video, which then destroyed the traffic I was getting on my video. So how am I doing with forgetting the competition? I think I'm doing really well with this, and you'll notice it's tough when you're self-appraising. There's always this tendency that comes in that says I want to do better than other people and I want to do better than myself. So how am I doing with words of Facebook, things I have courses on? And then as soon as I see my course isn't ranking up at the top, I start getting that tendency to compete. I gotta look at my own courses to make sure I keep up with the competition, so to speak. So I like that Eminem as a line. I gotta go back and listen to my old CDs to make sure I keep up with the competition. And that's what I'm doing now, is I'm looking at the other courses I made and seeing how are my new courses ranking against my existing courses. Because if I can see that, for example, this course, the 7 Basics of a Beautiful Business, this course is doing really well. It's one of the top ranking courses out of my 66 courses in results here. That is one of my top ranking courses. So what I've started doing is looking at my courses, and when you search, it should allow me to just essentially compete with myself. So I look around and see, how are my courses doing? Where are they ranking relatively? And then instead of getting all obsessed with ranking against other people, I start just looking and trying to learn. So looking at some of what are my lowest ranking courses here. Some of them are new, but then others of them, it doesn't even necessarily make any sense. I've been learning from it, so you can learn some of the same things. I see, well, the courses that are at the top here, these tend to be some with the most students. Doing things like this, putting this free offer up there, this allows me to do something where there's no competition. This is by far the best free offer I've ever seen by like 100 times.